What up guys, it's your boy AZ Moto YZ Boy back at you with another video with the Go-Ped Sport. So we on the Zenova G2D motor and we're going to be doing a tune on it. So the tune right now on here, I guess it's sat for a while, and every time I start it keeps revving really pretty high, and it pretty much starts screaming out and loosening a couple of my bolts. So I had to put some red locker on a couple bolts because it keeps, like these ones right here, keeps loosening those. Like last video I just did it, loosen those, so I put some on there. And what we're gonna do is pretty much get a bit of tune as a fresh start tune. We're gonna do a whole turn and a quarter turn, which I heard from a couple people, so hopefully that gives us a start off at what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna put this on my head, go put it on my head. Let's get it. We gotta start out by taking the gas tank off. And we already took the top screw off, so right now we're working on the bottom screw. So there you go, and then as you do that, you can just pull your thing right off, and you do got spacers in the back right here. You see, these are your two spacers for the gas tank. This is for your spindle, and here we go. Let's see, we're gonna need a flat head. Let's go to this control. And that's gonna break. Screws look like they're pretty messed up. Oh shit. I think I want to use that. Get the gas line on. Yes, we can. Alright, so hopefully this one works out better than the last one. Look at those guys, those things were all the way in. Oh man. So those aren't even like. So we're gonna do a full turn is full, and then the quarter turn would be like around there. So this is one. That's not a full turn. So hold on, that's a full turn right there. Right there it's full turn, and then you get the quarter, which is about right there, which should be about good. Hopefully that gives you the tune what you need. And what we're gonna want to do is put the gas tank back on, watch the gas lines, make sure they all go back on properly. Don't just force it. You don't want to put a hole in your gas tank. You can crack the bottom like this, but that ain't gonna put a hole. But you still gotta be careful what you're doing. Alright, so put this down right here real quick.